Hey squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool Bismarck right here, and basically what this is a wireless rechargeable neck reading light. If you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and for the one that I got right here is a blue color. They do have this available in many other colors as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. If you see from this image, they do show you guys how the product has different color temperature settings on here that you change. And supposedly for the product, it does allow you guys to change the different brightness level on here. But first, let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside right here, they do provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right here, you can see we do have the actual product. And right here, they also provide you guys a charging cable that you can use to recharge the actual product, which is basically a USB to USB-C cable. But let's take out the wrapper to show you guys what the product looks like and how to use it. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see the way how they designed the product is actually pretty cool. It does have like a flexible option, so that way you can angle it and adjust it how you guys want to. And supposedly the material that they use on here is like a non-slip material, so that way when you guys do put it around your neck, it won't really move. And if you guys notice for this part here, not only is it flexible, but it does give you guys the option to twist it. Same thing for other side as well, which is pretty cool. And also you can see right here we do have the brand logo, and then right here we do have the button for you to press to activate the product. So they do have the button on this side, and they also have it on the other side as well. So that way you can control both of them separately. And then right here in the front is where the LED light is when you guys do turn it on. For the inside top part here, they actually have this very nice soft fabric. So that way when you guys do put it onto your neck, it actually feels pretty comfortable. And if you see on the bottom right here, they do have the output for you guys to plug in a cable to recharge it, which is USB-C. And then for the top part right here is a mode button that you can use to change the different mode. And that is basically everything that's on the product. Before I actually test this out, let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it. So if you guys do plug the cable in, if you can see once we do plug it in, a red light pops on. So that is how you guys know when it's charging. And I'm assuming once it's fully charged, the light will change to green or change to a different color. So that is how you guys can charge the product. Now let's try to turn it on to see when it actually works wired and wireless. So if you guys press the button on the side, that turns it on. If you guys press on the other one, that works as well. And if you guys unplug the cable, the product still works. So you definitely have the option to use it wired or wireless, which is pretty cool. Now let me show you guys how to change the different brightness level on here and also the color temperature as well. So if you guys press on the button again, that is how you guys increase the brightness level on here. So you can see when you guys do press it, there's actually 3 different brightness level on here and not 6 like what I mentioned. Same thing applies to the other one. And like I mentioned, for the top part right here is a color temperature button. So if you guys turn it back on, let's turn on max. If you guys press the button on top, here is mode number 1, here is mode number 2, and here is mode number 3. So this one right here is like a warm color, here's a bright white color, and here's like the normal white light color that's not as bright. And if you guys are curious about the battery life that's on here, if you guys use it on the lowest setting, which is basically this one right here, it can give you guys 40 hours to 80 hours of usage. And if you guys use it on the brightest setting, which is this one right here, you guys can get anywhere from 6 to 12 hours. And because the product has a flexible option for you guys to bend how you guys want to, it's actually super portable for you to bring it with you guys anywhere. And that way you can angle where you guys want the light to shine at. And we see the brightness on here is actually pretty bright when you guys do use it. If you see the light right here, it's actually super bright. So whether if you guys want to use it as a reading light or if you guys want to use it as a flashlight, you can definitely use it how you guys want to. But I'll actually put this on and see how it feels. So once you guys put it on, here is basically what the product looks like. So once you guys put it on, it actually feels pretty comfortable, regardless if you guys have a shirt or jacket on or not. Because of the fabric like I mentioned on the inner layer, it actually feels pretty soft against your skin. Like I mentioned earlier, you do have the option to adjust this part right here to how you guys want. So if you guys want to face that way or this way, you can definitely adjust it based on your own preference. But once you guys are done, you want to turn it off. And it's all set. So very easy and very simple for you to use it, if you can see. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality wireless rechargeable reading light like the one that we got right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.